Namaskar, it's Rahul here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of the IG Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Father Mullah Bulletin, Mullah Pulse released. Redesigned website launched. St. Aloysius College gets busy. International Conference on Children's Literature begins. Writer Deepa Agarwal inaugurates a 3-day event. Biotechnology students receive hands-on training in life sciences at the National Workshop. In our entertainment bash, we have a Goan song by Keppe Troupe from the 73rd Monthly Theatre held at Kalangan, a duet by Ronnie Crasta and Babita Pinto from the 6th Vincent Night, and a song by Adolf Jayatilak and Ronnie Dikona from the Konkan Shahs held in Dubai.
Apurva for apt life.
The news in detail. Father Mullah charitable institutions that are rendering noble service to the mankind since many decades have brought out an annual magazine, Mullah Pulse, which was released on Wednesday, January 9th. Their redesigned website was also launched on the occasion. It was indeed double joy for Father Mullah charitable institutions as their annual magazine, Mullah Pulse 2007, was released on Thursday, January 10th. In the same function held at Father Mullah Medical College Academy Hall, their redesigned website was also launched. University of Leicester Professor Dr. Sabyasachi Baumik released the magazine.
Medical student days are good days despite all the pressures. Why it is good? Because this is a phase in which you work together, you work in groups, you come to know other people, you are at your most energetic and creative ages of your life, believe me. And if you start it right now, you'll carry it on for a number of years to come. As future doctors, you should all be well aware that understanding of human mind does also help you in the art of practicing medicine. 25% of all the general practice consultations and 40% of all acute hospital consultations involve psychological issues besides medical issues. And the outcome of many surgical and medical interventions are greatly influenced by psychological makeup of the patients. Studies have persistently proven that.
Tufts University Boston Dean of Public Health, Dr. Harris A. Berman, launched the website redesigned by Digi World Media Private Limited.
It changes every year that I come. The first year that I came, you just opened a cardiac thoracic unit, which was a major milestone for Father Muller. And today I had the pleasure of seeing your new oncology center with a state-of-the-art linear accelerator, which is as modern as any in the world. These are important changes for your patients and for the people of Mangalore and the area. Your new website is your public face. It is the way people now will approach Father Muller from all over the world to learn what you do and how you do it. So this is indeed important. Not to focus on the technology, focus on the patient. And focusing on the patient requires person-to-person skills. So the technology should help you provide good care and good caring, and it should help you heal. But it's your personal relationship with the patients and what you personally do for the patients that really counts. Never forget that.
Father Patrick Rodriguez, who presided over the function, said that Mullah Pulse is a record of dreams, vision, mission and progress of Father Mullah Medical College. Dr. Edward Nazareth, Professor of Department of Orthopedic and Staff Editor of Mullah Pulse 07, Ninon Patrao, President of Student Council, Shishir Varghese, Assistant Editor of Mullah Pulse 07, Father Dennis Tessa, Administrator of Father Mullah Medical College, Sharmila Naik, Student Editor of Mullah Pulse were present. Dr. Sanjeev Rai briefed on the redesigned website www.fathermullah.com. Science fictions, cartoons, short stories allow tiny tots to understand and appreciate their world and to improve their creativity. Over the years, children's literature has undergone tremendous changes. To discuss these changes, Children's Literature Association of India has organized their second international conference on politics and polemics in children's literature at St. Aloysius College. A three-day international conference of the Children's Literature Association of India, hosted by St. Aloysius College, began on January 10th. The conference, focusing on politics and polemics in children's literature, was inaugurated by eminent children's writer Deepa Agarwal.
A lot of it is derived from the oral tradition, but at the same time, we have not delved too deeply into what goes behind these stories, how they develop, what their importance to us is, and why it is essential for children to have stories. Listen to the Masjid's child, listen to the drones, listen to the shouldn'ts, the impossibles, the wants, listen to the never haves, then listen close to me. Anything can happen, child, anything can be. Most writers of fiction for children would agree with Shreds in this study. And at some level, children's stories can and do demonstrate that anything can happen and anything can be.
Jean Webb, Professor of International Children's Literature, University of Worcester in England, Ellen Handler, Professor of Visual Arts in University of Maryland, USA, and Rachel Johnson, librarian from University of Worcester in England, were the key speakers. As many as 35 papers are likely to be submitted by the delegates from USA, England, Thailand, Iran, Sri Lanka and Philippines on different aspects of politics of children's literature in the three-day event. The conference, organized by the Children's Association of India, would focus on certain aspects in order to have a detailed understanding of children's literature. Not only literature students of St. Aloysius, but also the biotechnology students were busy on Thursday, January 10th, as the national level workshop on biotechniques in life sciences was inaugurated at the college campus. We have a report on this.
The Postgraduate Department of Biotechnology in St. Aloysius College organized a UGC-sponsored two-day national level workshop on biotechnics in life sciences at its IT building auditorium. The workshop began on Thursday, January 10th, in which Dr. Asha Abraham, Madhumati, Avita De Silva took part as the resource persons. The workshop imparted hands-on training in the field of bioprocess technology and phytochemical analysis of plant secondary metabolites. Nearly 30 research scholars, undergraduates and pre-university lecturers are participating in this two-day event.
That is all we had from our news desk. Before we go on to our entertainment bash, let us take a break. On the other side of the break, we will bring you lots of music and entertainment programs, so stay tuned to us.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ, ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬು ಯಾನು ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 2492417.
दिर्वे कोंगणी हप्ताळे सादर करता 200 साळिसावी विल्फिनाय जानेर 13 आयतारा सांजेर 6 वरार सालुवीस कॉलेजीच्या उक्त्या मैदानार.